Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm David. I'm from Troop 159 and I'll be showing you how to use the Compass app directly on your iPhone. Any iPhone running iOS 13 or up has the newest and latest Compass stuff on it. If you got like the older version like iOS 11, 12, some features might not have like on the new iPhones. I'm using the iPhone X, so yeah. But beforehand, I would recommend you get a actual orienteering compass, because those compasses are way more better, way more productive. They got more features, more everything. The iPhone version is something you can use if you don't have a compass right now. If you're planning on getting one, but you need a compass temporarily for like a scout camp out or a meeting, if we have a compass work at our scout meeting. The iPhone version can handle that, can handle small tasks using this. So let's begin. Go on your iPhone, unlock your iPhone. It should be on the second page in the folder called Utilities. Open up Utilities, open up Compass. It should open up to this screen. Then for right now, this is magnetic north. To enable true north, you go to settings, scroll down until you find compass, and then you enable true north, and then you got true north, and then if you need magnetic north, you can turn it off and get the magnetic north. This is true north, and then at these numbers, this is the degrees, kind of like on the normal compasses have. If you are doing coordinates and doing like finding checkpoints, and you got directions to find 200 degrees, you find 200 degrees south, west, or any direction, you get 200 degrees, and then you follow that onto your destination. And then these numbers that are the first small letters are longitude and latitude, and then underneath that is your location where you live, and then at the bottom this is your elevation, how high you are. I'm at 670 feet elevation. And then at tip and trick, like a hidden feature with the Compass app, is you can, if you found your degrees, you can tap once, and this red thing shows up, and then now you can measure easily like this, and then you can go around. It's like a measurement to easily mark it, and then you can turn it off by tapping again. The plus right there tells you how straight you are, like you're here. And yeah, that's about it for using the iPhone Compass app. If you have any questions, comment below if you need help or something, or if you have a question about it. And yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. So yeah, see you next video, and adventure off. Signing off, David Romnowski. Peace out.